Alright, so yesterday while I was driving home, my throttle cable snapped, so I have no pedal now. Got a new throttle cable. Gonna replace it real quick. It's a quick fix. Just gotta run it through the throttle cable tube and out to the back. Alright, so all I gotta do is feed this throttle cable through the throttle cable tube right here. And you just want to feed it through all the way until it comes out the back. Alright, so once you fed the whole throttle cable through, you'll be left with this little L-shaped piece that goes right there into this hole on the pedal.